Have you ever wondered where we fit in the grand timeline of the universe? Well, let's journey together through the cosmic calendar. This remarkable tool allows us to grasp the vastness of cosmic time by condensing the entire 13.8 billion year history of the universe into one single comprehensible year. To understand this, let's imagine the cosmic calendar as a year-long movie of the universe's life. The film starts on January 1st with the Big Bang, the beginning of everything we know. As the year progresses, so does the evolution of the universe. Now let's break down the cosmic calendar's scale. The cosmic calendar compresses time in such a way that every second on this calendar represents 437.5 years in the real world. This means that each cosmic hour translates to approximately 1.575 million years, and a cosmic day equates to a staggering 37.8 million years. The cosmic calendar is not just a concept, but a perspective. As we travel through this cosmic year, we witness the birth and evolution of galaxies, the formation of stars and planets, the emergence of life, and the rise of humanity. But here's the kicker. If we align our existence with this cosmic calendar, humanity's history would barely register. Our entire recorded history, from the ancient Egyptians to the present day, would fit into the last few seconds of December 31st. Ponder this. The entire human history is a mere blip on the cosmic calendar. As we turn the pages of the cosmic calendar, the year begins with the Big Bang on January 1st. Imagine the black nothingness, a void so complete, so absolute that time and space do not exist. Then suddenly there's a spark. An unimaginably hot, dense point erupts. This is the Big Bang, the birth of our universe. In an instant, the universe expands from a singularity, a point smaller than an atom, to an entity of vast size. The first day of our cosmic year has begun, and with it, the universe as we know it. From this initial eruption, the universe continues to expand and cool, setting the stage for the formation of atoms. It's a process that takes hundreds of thousands of years, but in the cosmic calendar, it's a mere blink of an eye. The Big Bang theory, first proposed by Belgian physicist Georges Lemaitre, is currently the most accepted explanation of the universe's beginnings. It's supported by a multitude of evidence, including the redshift of distant galaxies and the presence of cosmic microwave background radiation, remnants of that initial explosion that we can still detect today. But of course, the universe at this time is not the one we live in today. It's an unimaginably hot, dense sea of particles and energy, a far cry from the galaxies, stars, and planets that will eventually form. But every story has a beginning, and this is ours. As January 1st on the cosmic calendar comes to a close, the universe is less than 1 million years old, yet it's already laid the groundwork for everything to come. From the ashes of the Big Bang, the seeds for galaxies, stars, planets, and eventually life itself have been sown. In the grand scheme of the universe, we're just getting started. Fast forward to April on our cosmic calendar, the galaxies begin to form. But how does this celestial event transpire? Let's delve into it. After the Big Bang, the universe was a hot, dense sea of particles, mainly protons, neutrons, electrons, and photons. As the universe expanded, it cooled, and these particles began to combine to form atoms, primarily hydrogen and helium. These atoms were drawn together by gravity, forming clumps that grew larger and larger over millions of years. In the densest parts of these clumps, stars began to form. These stars, through their gravitational pull, attracted more atoms, which led to the formation of more stars. These groups of stars, bound together by gravity, are what we now call galaxies. The galaxies continue to grow and evolve, with new stars being born and old ones dying. The death of a star is a dramatic event, often resulting in a supernova explosion. These explosions not only spread elements like carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen into space, but also trigger the formation of new stars and planets. It's a cosmic cycle of life and death, with each ending paving the way for a new beginning. The galaxies we see today are the result of this ongoing process, a process that has been unfolding for billions of years. The formation of galaxies is a testament to the power of gravity, the force that shapes the universe. It's a story of simple atoms coming together to form complex structures, a story of order emerging from chaos. It's a story that's still unfolding, as galaxies continue to evolve and change. As spring blooms in our cosmic year, so does the universe with the birth of galaxies. We have to flip through many pages to reach the next significant event, the emergence of life. It's now September on our cosmic calendar, and we're about to witness a momentous event, the birth of our home, Earth, and the first stirrings of life. Let's imagine, on a cosmic scale, the Earth forms around September 2nd. For the next few weeks, our planet is a volatile, inhospitable place. But by September 21st, just shy of 3 cosmic weeks later, the stage is set for the first act of life. The atmosphere stabilizes. Volcanoes spew out gases, creating oceans and land masses. The stage is now set, and the first actors make their entrance. Single-celled organisms, the earliest forms of life, begin to appear. These microscopic pioneers are the ancestors of all living things, from the smallest bacteria to the largest whales, from the humblest grass to the tallest trees, and yes, even us humans. These first life forms are simple, yet they possess the incredible ability to replicate, to pass on their genetic information, to evolve. Over the next several cosmic days, life begins to diversify and complexify, setting the stage for the next chapter in our cosmic story. October sees the emergence of multicellular organisms, tiny creatures that band together, sharing tasks and responsibilities, a testament to the power of cooperation. As the days turn to weeks, these multicellular life forms evolve into more complex forms of life, each new species a response to the ever-changing conditions of our planet. By November, the first plants take root, transforming our world into a green paradise, producing the oxygen that will become vital for the life forms yet to come. The first fish begin to swim in our oceans, and by the end of the month, the first insects begin to crawl on the land. As we turn the page to December, we're on the brink of yet another landmark event. But we'll have to wait for the last days of the year to witness the arrival of a species that will change everything. Life, as we know it, begins to take root in the cosmic autumn. We've reached the final moment of the cosmic year. At 11 hours 59 minutes and 59 seconds p.m. on December 31st, humans make their first appearance. Now, this might seem like a rather late entrance, but remember, we're talking about a timeline that spans nearly 14 billion years. In this grand cosmic scale, the arrival of humans is a recent event, a blink of an eye. It's like showing up a second before midnight at a party that's been going on since the dawn of time. Our species, Homo sapiens, emerged a mere 200,000 years ago. To put that into perspective, if the history of the universe were a 1,000-page novel, we wouldn't show up until the very last word on the very last page. And what about recorded human history? All the civilizations, wars, inventions, and ideas. Well, that fits into the final seconds of the cosmic year. It's a humbling thought, isn't it? All our triumphs and tragedies, every moment that has shaped humanity, they're all compressed into these fleeting moments on the cosmic stage. Yet, despite our late arrival and the brevity of our existence in cosmic terms, we've made quite an impact. We've ventured into space, split the atom, unraveled the code of life, and created works of art and literature that capture the depth and breadth of the human experience. And all of this in the cosmic equivalent of a heartbeat. But we shouldn't be disheartened by our relative newness or the vastness of cosmic time. Instead, we should be inspired. We've come a long way in a short time, and who knows what the future holds. If the past is any indication, our potential is limitless. In the grand timeline of the universe, we've just arrived at the party.